I'm Chef John Brantley. I'm here to show you a seafood stew one-pot pickup that is quick, easy, and delicious. What I've done here is I've heated up a heavy bottom saucepan with some olive oil. I've added some red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, garlic, and shallot. We're going to add a little bit of red pepper flake to this. It's just going to give the dish a little spice. And we're going to add some chorizo to it. Chorizo is a Spanish sausage. And what it's going to do is it's going to give it a little smokiness and a little bite. When it starts to cook out, it has a really nice red plume color that will start to come out in the pan. So once your peppers start to get soft and your shallots are translucent, what we're going to do is we're going to start to add in the seafood. The first seafood that we're going to add in is mussels and clams. With the mussels, you want to make sure that, one, the outside is scrubbed of any loose debris, and that the beard that sticks off to the side has been removed. You just kind of tug that and pull that right off. If the mussels are open, generally that means they're dead. If they're wide open, you don't want to use it. If they're just slightly open, tap it on the counter. If it closes up, then it's going to be fine to use. You want to add that right into your pan. And you're going to do the same thing with your clams. Now you can use little necks, you can use cherry stones, whatever is available for you. Mussels want to cook relatively quick, so you want to have nice heat going on here. We're going to add some chicken stock and some white wine to this. Generally, the mussels and the clams are going to take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes to open up. So what we're going to do is we're going to increase that heat a little bit. We're going to put a lid on there. We're going to let that steam get going and get those mussels and clams open up. Okay, so our mussels have been cooking now for about 3-4 minutes. We don't want the mussels or the clams to overcook, but we did want to make this amazing broth that's we're going to poach the rest of the seafood in. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull these mussels out. And we're just going to reserve them on the side in a bowl. It's okay if you get a little bit of the peppers in there because you're going to be adding all this right back into the dish. We just don't want to overcook the mussels at this point. We're going to take this broth that we've created and now we're going to add our other seafood. What we're going to add is shrimp. We've purchased shrimp that is peeled, deveined, and we've taken the tails off. We're going to lay these into this broth. And basically what we're doing is we're poaching it or stewing it in a liquid. So you want to make sure that you don't overcrowd and you don't put the shrimp on top of each other. I have some whitefish here. You can utilize any whitefish that you can find. Just make sure that it's already been cleaned. And all you gotta do is take it home. You're gonna take that little fillet and dice it up with some cubes and add it right into the broth. Now we're gonna use white beans. And we're gonna use a canned white bean product. What you wanna do is when you open this up, you wanna drain about half of the can. Reserve a little bit of that liquid. That liquid is gonna be what you're gonna use to thicken your sauce in place of, say, a fat like butter. So it's gonna give you great flavor. And then we're also gonna add some fresh thyme. You'll see the shrimp now is starting to turn orange in color, which is exactly what we want. And the fish is starting to turn from a nice translucent color to a white color. You're pretty close to being there. The biggest problem with seafood is people overcook it. So we're going to add back in our mussels and our chorizo, clams. This is going to be a bright, beautiful, colorful dish. The presentation is amazing. If you're having dinner guests over, not only do you get to eat healthy, but you get to really impress them with an amazing, amazing dish. Leaving the fish in the shell like this is going to make just a beautiful presentation. Maybe some grilled bread like I have here. Looks beautiful. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.